As today we're fucking playing dumbasses, fucking bitches, Among Us. Damn white! Warning, please. Warning, please turn down your volume because we about to get loud for this one. Yes, sir! Stop being a baby and fucking slow down the fucking player speed. No! What? Imposter! Fuck! Fuck! Oh! Finally! Hey yo, Pink. Hey yo, Pink. Are you serious right now, bro? Are you really fucking serious right now? Oh, where? Who? Where is the body? Come on, somebody respond. Bro, shut your big ass mouth. I swear I'm a scientist. An engineer. You fucking serious? Bro. Let's go do some tasks. There's a lot of tasks. Holy fuck. By the way, if you reach this long, please subscribe. It really appreciate me. So, yeah, please subscribe. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Nah, I'm just joking. But please, if you enjoy the video, subscribe. Ooh, I have scan. Wait, what? Wait, what? Where? Where? No one is sus. Yes, sir. Okay. Guys, follow me. Guys! Fuck. Come on. Yes, sir. Black? Brown, I mean? It's brown! On cafeteria. Brown! I saw you at Med Bay Halls. Hella lying. It's brown. What? How? What? Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Nobody believing me. 20597. At the top, okay. Fuck me! Bro, I got locked! Done. Easy. Hey, yo! Who? Blood trying to lie. You guys don't believe me. Leave me. Guys, I have scan. Scan! Follow me. Me at Med Bay. Bro, what do you mean him? Hey, yo. Damn, bro, almost got fucking get out. Let's go. Water meters. He's safe. She's safe. Yo. Hey, yo. Bro, no one wants to fucking Watch me do my task. Bad timing! Bad timing! Guys, come on! Yes, sir. Let's go. Bro, why the fuck am I doing a fake task for no reason? Hey, yo! Come on, you fucking bitches. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Fucking pink. I'll fucking haunt you the rest of my life, you fucking bitch. You son of a bitch. Bitch ass. Bro, what the fuck are you guys doing? Bro! Please, my task. Finally, somebody found my fucking body. Bro, Pink is an idiot. Ah! Red first, then pink. Yes, sir. What the fuck do you mean? Why me? You fucking killed me. We about to win with this one. Yes, sir. One task. Boom. We win. Oh. No way is this guy gonna be killed. I protected him. Hermit. Oh, trying to do. Yes! Yes! We win! There is no chance you're winning, pig! You fucking son of a bitch! Who the fuck is Carl? No one is. I think. Fuck! Ah! Yes, sir! We win! We win! Get the fuck out of here, Pink, you son of a... Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes! Alright, I'm sorry for the noise, but if you enjoy watching this, then please subscribe. Peace!